This is our fence tester. It could measure voltage on any metal wire, poly rope, and fence tape. Test fence line, Energizer, ground system, hookup wire, and fence component. It is usually used in farm, home, garden, and livestock fencing. It is designed for a low impedance and standard duty fence controllers. The LCD screen will show the voltage up to 9.9 kilovoltage, higher measuring range than normal type. It could help you find the fault in your fence. It needs 9-volt battery. And here, when using, insert the probe into the ground and use the clip, touch the fence. Then you could know the reading of your fence. It requires no additional tool. The human-sized design enables you easy to carry. The clip has a better contacting with fence, better than hook and probe type. No need to close the fence, much safer to you. The black color of the outer case does not emit light. It will not affect reading. The box package does not take you too much space. Durable ABS case could withstand cold weather.